3, 2, 1, go.
Get another very fast one. Both small robots are already out. One of them is connected to spotlight elements, and the Serbian one is getting one part ready and fully successful. Oh, knocking down popcorn. This is going to be dirty on the table. But the Serbian robot is going to place a second carpet, and it seems like a full success again. The Germans are collecting popcorn from the dispensers and moving around. The Serbians are getting the clappers down. 2 already. Good show. Dragging a popcorn glass behind them. Ludwig's Spartans put four element spotlight tower ready. The Serbians are attempting to climb, but all they've succeeded in doing is losing the stair. That's unfortunate. Oh, I see a second tower, a draw for heights. Raw popcorn stored in the storing element on the German side, all good. 2 clappers down on every side, draw on that part of the game. The Serbs are dragging one more popcorn around, let's hope they can score it. One of them is halfway, I don't know if that counts, and the third clapper is down on both sides of the table. This is going to be a very close match, isn't it? Not much movement anymore. The match is almost over. The Serbians have knocked down their popcorn. Oh no! The Germans have knocked down the Serbians' popcorn.